all. My name is Skit. I am studying 7th class. My activity name is Save the Birds. I wish I could catch the birds and keep it in a cage.
No way, challenges. That's not right. Birds should be free. Besides, birds are an important part of our ecosystem. We should protect them, but not harming them. Have you guys how noticed birds are affected by electric gadgets like mobile phones and network?
Yeah, it's like that are getting lost in signals.
Actually, it's true. The electronic radiation from these gadgets dispers our aquatic system and pollution is also a problem for us.
That's right. Pollution was destroyed and happiness could supply. So what can we do to help?
Will you can start reducing your use of electric gadgets. Start planting more plants.
And we can all reduce, reuse, recycle to minimum pollution.
You know, guys, I think I will let birds free fly. We should protect amazing creatures. Story is our actions have consequences on the environment and habits by making small change by helping and protect birds, their habits and create a better world for all living beings.